Okay. Give me a moment, all of you.
Okay, fine. So let us begin the session today. Okay, now I was planning to start with trigonometry today. So trigonometry, of course, is a very important concept in mathematics. And this is something which you are going to use very extensively in 11th and 12th grade. Almost every chapter of 11th and 12th grade is going to involve trigonometry somewhere or the other. So it becomes very important that we go back and take a very strong revision of trigonometry, of whatever trigonometry we have done in 9th and 10th grade. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं आज ट्रिग्नोमेट्री से. Okay, now before I begin, I just want to ask you one more time, am I audible, all of you? Because I have changed my headset and I want to know that. Is my voice very clear, all of you? Perfect. All right, students, thank you. So let us now begin with trigonometry. See, now trigonometry, if I have to go into very much depth of the introduction of trigonometry, that is going to take a lot of time. And I'm sure that you must have learned a great deal of introduction of trigonometry in 9th and 10th grade. So I'm not going into the storytelling of the birth of trigonometry. How did trigonometry come into being and blah, 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 blah. All those things, I'm sure you people know it. Okay, so we are going to straight away start with the trigonometric ratios. How many trigonometric ratios are there in trigonometry? ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में कितने ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज होते हैं बताओ. वेरी गुड. देयर आर 6 trigonometric ratios. Fantastic. Correct. 6 trigonometric ratios. Perfect. Okay. Now trigonometry begins in a right angle triangle. Then from the right angle triangle, it has got its application to every possible type of triangle. But in 9th and 10th grade, we have studied trigonometry only from a right angle to triangle perspective. तो हम लोग भी वही करेंगे, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल तक ही उसको लिमिटेड रखेंगे. जब आप 11th और 12th की पढ़ाई शुरू करोगे तो आपको ये पता चलेगा कि हम उसे किसी भी तरह के ट्राइंगल में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. So here we have a triangle ABC, and there are two acute angles, angle A and angle C. So we are going to choose any one of the angle and mark it theta. It can be angle A, it can be angle C, doesn't make a difference. So let us choose angle C, and angle C, we will name it as theta. Now from theta point of view, these are three sides, the three sides of the right angle triangle. The hypotenuse is the side which is exactly opposite to the right angle. So ये है हमारा hypotenuse, the side exactly opposite to the right angle. And then there are two more sides left, AB and BC. Even they are named. Now they will be named with respect to the theta. So theta के point of view से AB is a side which is opposite to it. So AB will be called as the opposite side. BC is a side which is adjacent to it. Adjacent का मतलब होता है बाजू में. So we call the side BC as adjacent side. बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलेंगे कि सर AC भी तो बाजू में है ना. हाँ बिल्कुल AC भी बाजू में है, बट AC हाइपोटेन्यूज है, तो उसे हम adjacent नहीं कह सकते. So now we understand that with respect to theta, all the three sides of the right angle triangle have been named AC hypotenuse, which is fixed, which will never change. Now we have AB, which is opposite, AB opposite, and BC is the adjacent. Coming down, coming down to the 6 trigonometric ratios. Here we have the first trigonometric ratio is sine ratio, SINE, but we cut it short and we write it only SIN. SIN. Now this is basically the short form of SINE. तो इसे हम लोग लिखेंगे sin theta. Sin theta. Now what is the definition of sin theta? The definition of sin theta is, yes, correct. Most of the students are correct. It is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite upon hypotenuse. And with respect to this triangle, it is going to be AB upon AC. AB upon AC. The second trigonometric ratio is cosine ratio. COSINE, but we cut it short to cos. So cos theta, that is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. With respect to this triangle, adjacent is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Then we have tan ratio. Now tan is basically the short form of tangent. Tangent. The tangent ratio is opposite upon adjacent, which is equal to AB upon BC. So these are three primary ratios: sine, cos, tan. Then there are three more ratios which are reciprocals of them. तीन ratios और भी है जो इनके reciprocals हैं. तो sine का जो reciprocal है उसे हम कहते हैं cosec, which is basically the short form of cosecant. Cosec theta. Now sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. Cosec theta will be hypotenuse upon opposite. Hypotenuse upon opposite. And from this triangle point of view, it will be AC upon AB. Then next we have secant ratio, SECANT, but we cut it short to sec. Sec theta, which is reciprocal of the cos. So cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse, sec is hypotenuse upon adjacent. Hypotenuse upon adjacent, which is AC upon BC with respect to this triangle ABC. And lastly, we have cotangent ratio. So cotangent ratio को हम short form में लिखते हैं cot theta, which is reciprocal of tan theta. That is adjacent upon opposite. Adjacent upon opposite, which is equal to BC upon AB. Right? So these are 6 trigonometric ratios along with their definitions. If somebody asks you what is the definition of sine ratio, so your answer will be sine ratio is opposite side upon the hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. That is hypotenuse upon opposite. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. That is hypotenuse upon adjacent. And cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. That is adjacent upon opposite. So these 6 trigonometric ratios always remember in the sequence. And the sequence is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. तो sin, cos, tan के बिल्कुल सामने हम लिखेंगे cosec, sec, cot. Okay, ये है definitions. These are the definitions of trigonometric ratios, which are very important. Trigonometry में कितने ही formulae हैं पता है? There are hundreds and hundreds of formulae in trigonometry. And many students wonder कि इतने formulae बनते कहाँ से हैं? From where do all these formulae come? तो ये सारे के सारे formulae जो बनते हैं ना, वो ये जो definitions है ना, इसी में से बन के तैयार होते हैं. So these definitions are basically factory of all the formulae. तो यही है formulae. अब ये definitions को याद रखने का बहुत सारे tricks हैं. There are so many different tricks to remember these definitions. But now we have to go beyond that trick. अब हम लोग को trick use नहीं करना है. हम लोग को direct formula पता होना चाहिए. Somebody asks you what is sin theta, तो ऐसा नहीं कि sin theta के लिए पहले जाके trick देखो कौन सी थी, फिर वो trick के point of view से याद करने की कोशिश करो कि वो opposite upon hypotenuse. No, it should come out very fluently from your mouth, like cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse, cot theta adjacent upon opposite, cosec theta hypotenuse upon opposite. No tricks, direct fluency in giving the answers. तो आज मैं आप लोग को ना 2 set of formula सिखाऊंगा. I will be teaching you 2 set of formulae today, and then we are going to start with sums based on these 2 set of formulae. These are very important and very basic formulae of trigonometry. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है ना, एक फॉर्मूला बेस्ड चैप्टर है, तो जाहिर सी बात है कि जब तक हम लोग को फॉर्मूला के ऊपर कंफर्ट नहीं आता है, जब तक हमारा फॉर्मूला के ऊपर प्रॉपर ग्रिप नहीं है, हम इस चैप्टर में कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. एंड ट्रिग्नोमेट्री इज वन ऑफ द चैप्टर विच इज एक्सट्रीम. either you will find it extremely interesting or you will find it extremely struggling to do it. तो उसमें बीच का पार्ट होता ही नहीं है. या तो बड़ा मजा आएगा करने के लिए, या तो आपका सर में दर्द हो जाएगा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री को देख करके. और वो, और अगर वो करना है तो देखो, इफ यू हैव टू टेक इंटरेस्ट इन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, तो उसका सबसे पहला, द फर्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू डू इज टू गेट अ गुड ग्रिप ऑन द फॉर्मूला. फॉर्मूला पे ग्रिप आ गया, यानी कि समझो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री मजेदार हो गया आपके लिए. तो चलो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं दो सेट ऑफ फॉर्मूला के साथ, एंड देन वी विल डू सम रियली इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन दैट. हियर वी गो. The two set of formulae which we are going to today learn is, one is reciprocals and the next is identities. Reciprocals and identities. Reciprocals, identities. Now, reciprocals or identities जो है ना, I will be giving you a little while so that you can learn it by heart. आप लोग को मैं एक 5 मिनट्स का टाइम दूंगा बीच में. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं रेसिप्रोकल्स के साथ. आप लोग को याद होगा कि साइन और कॉस जो है, साइन और कोसेक, दे आर रेसिप्रोकल्स ऑफ ईच अदर, राइट? तो साइन थीटा is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta. And cosec theta will be equal to 1 upon sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. उसके बाद अगला आएगा cos theta. आपको पता है cos और sec आपस में एक दूसरे के रेसिप्रोकल्स है. Cos and sec are reciprocals of each other. So cos theta will be equal to 1 upon sec theta. And sec theta will be equal to 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta और cot theta ये आपस में एक दूसरे के रेसिप्रोकल्स है. तो tan theta जो है, that will be equal to 1 upon cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Right? So these are 6 formulae. एक बार देखिए इसको. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. And cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Now we have got one more bonus formula for tan theta and cot theta. And I'm sure आप लोग को पता होगा वो. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. And then cot theta will become equal to इसी का reciprocal. Sin theta upon cos theta का reciprocal is cos theta upon sin theta. Right? So these are our 8 reciprocal formulae. Very easy to understand. एक लास्ट टाइम इसको रिकैप करते हैं, then we will go to identities. So sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Now when I am repeating it, ideally if wherever you are sitting, आप लोग वहीं पर ही ना इसे रिपीट करो मेरे साथ साथ, तो ये फॉर्मूला आपके दिमाग में और अच्छे से बैठ जाएगा. Instead of just listening to me, you can also repeat along with me. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. And cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So ये है हमारे 8 रेसिप्रोकल फॉर्मूले. देखिए जरा बच्चों ने क्या लिखा है चैट में. Okay, Mayur has told that cot theta can be written as cosec theta upon sec theta. Yes, Mayur, you're right. But generally we do not use that as a direct formula. डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला हम cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta यूज करते हैं, बट यू आर स्टिल करेक्ट. Cot theta can also be written as cosec upon sec. Okay, all the students are correct. Let us proceed further. Now, here we come next to the identities. There are three primary identities. There are three identities, and every identity will have two derived forms. तीन आइडेंटिटी होती है और हर एक आइडेंटिटी के दो दो डिराइव्ड फॉर्म्स होते हैं, और ये डिराइव्ड फॉर्म्स ओरिजिनल आइडेंटिटी जितने ही इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. चलो, लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी. The first identity is the most popular identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. अब ये एक ऐसी आइडेंटिटी है जो सबसे ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज होती है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में. तो बच्चों को ये बहुत अच्छे से याद भी रह जाती है, बट आगे की दो आइडेंटिटीज है उसका यूसेज थोड़ा कम है, इसके लिए वो बच्चे दे टेंड टू फॉरगेट इट. So let us see the first one. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Now I will tell you the two derived forms. You take plus cos squared theta on the right hand side. तो आप लोग को क्या मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे? Sin squared theta is equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. Now plus cos squared theta goes on the right hand side, becomes 1 minus cos squared theta. And then cos squared theta is equal to 1 minus sin squared theta. Very simple. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. And cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Very easy. Chalo, let us come to the second identity. Second identity और third identity है ना, आपको बड़े ध्यान से सीखनी है. Yes, most of the students are giving the correct answer. Fantastic. See. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Keep repeating it again and again unless and until this thing doesn't become concrete in your brain. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Bring 1 on the left hand side. Now when you bring 1 on the left hand side, what will you get? You will get sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. You bring 1 on the left hand side. You get sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Now you bring tan square theta on the left hand side. What would you get? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Simple. Let's do it again. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. And sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Let us come to the next identity. That is identity number 3, the last identity. So this is cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Now bring 1 to the left hand side. You will have cosec square theta. Oops. Okay. Bring 1 on the left hand side. You will have cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Now you bring cot square theta on the left hand side. You will get cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So these are your three identities, and every identity has got its two derived forms. I will request all the students to tear out a page from your notebook, or maybe if you already have a Fullscape very handy close by to you, you can use that Fullscape and write all the formula on that page and keep that page in front of you. So whenever you require a formula, you can immediately look at that page and use the formula. तो वो पेज हमेशा सामने ही रहेगा, नोटबुक की पेजेस टर्न होती जाएंगी, but that formula page will always be there in front of you if you write it on a page. I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes time. Do it, all of you. Now, from the names of the most of the students, I recognize that these are some of the students to whom I have taught this last year. काफी सारे बच्चों के नाम थोड़े जाने पहचाने लग रहे हैं. Okay. Hope you people remember all this. Great. That's nice. Great. Chalo. I'll give you 15-20 seconds more. Okay. Completed all of you? I hope yes. Chalo. Now let us start with the questions. See, initially, I will be giving you few questions which are going to be very, very easy. बहुत easy होने वाले हैं वो. But easy का मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो irrelevant होंगे. उनका एक purpose होता है. These questions, you might feel that they are very easy, but they have a purpose. And the purpose is to get a grip on the formula. रेसिप्रोकल्स और आइडेंटिटीज के ऊपर ग्रिप बनाने के लिए ये सम्स को डिजाइन किया जाता है. ओके, चलो शुरू करते हैं. तो हम लोग को लिखना भी है, बट नॉट ड्यूरिंग व्हेन आई एम टीचिंग. वंस आई स्टॉप टीचिंग, देन आई विल गिव यू टाइम टू राइट. तब तक सिर्फ ध्यान से देखो. सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस का कॉमन हेडिंग है प्रूव दैट. Prove that. So we have 1 minus sine square theta into sec square theta is equal to 1. So we have to prove 1 minus sine square theta into sec square theta equals to 1. So let us pick up the LHS. 1 minus sine square theta into sec square theta. Now see students, अब 1 minus sine square theta है ना, even in the middle of the night somebody wakes you up and asks you na, okay, what is 1 minus sine square theta? Your reply has to be prompt. It is cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta into sec square theta. Chalo. Now do you understand that cos and sec are reciprocals of each other? ये जो cos और sec है ना, ये आपस में रेसिप्रोकल्स है. तो यू कैन चेंज एनी वन ऑफ देम. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, cos स्क्वायर थीटा को लिख देंगे 1 अपॉन sec स्क्वायर थीटा into sec square theta. We could have also written sec square theta as 1 upon cos square theta. तो ये देखो sec square theta हो गया cancel. And what do we have in the answer? 1, which equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. है क्या नहीं? Simple. तो चलो, let us do the second question. ये पहला था. Second question is 1 minus cos square theta into cosec square theta is equal to 1. So let us begin with the LHS. 1 minus cos square theta into cosec square theta. अब 1 minus cos square theta जो है ना, that is sin square theta. है कि नहीं? मैंने आपको बताया था ना, 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta होता है, 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta होता है, into cosec square theta. Oops. Into cosec square theta. And now sin square and cosec square are reciprocals of each other. किसी भी एक को बदल दो. Sin square theta को लिख दो 1 upon cosec square theta into cosec square theta. Cosec square theta cancels. You get answer में 1, which equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देखते हैं. Cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Let's do this one now. See, let us pick up the LHS. I hope you people are all attentive. चलो, cos square theta तो होता है cos square theta. Now 1 plus tan square theta. See identity number 2. If you have that page in front of you, check identity number 2. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So whenever you come across 1 plus tan square theta, what are you going to write? Sec square theta. Now once again, we have cos square and sec square, and both of them are reciprocals of each other. So change any one of them. This time we will change sec square theta. Write cos square theta as it is. Sec square theta ko likho 1 upon cos square theta. And cos square gets cancelled. What is left out is 1, which equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Bingo, done. Easy था ना? ये सब है ना सिर्फ फॉर्मूला के ऊपर ग्रिप बनाने के लिए ये तरह के सम्स डिजाइन किए जाते हैं. राइट इट ऑल ऑफ यू. Okay, great. Okay, I'll give you a minute more. Please write it down. और जब लिखोगे ना तो खुद से लिखना है, अपने को स्क्रीन से कॉपी नहीं करना है. From the screen only just write the question. The proving part you people have to try it on your own. Yes, you're right, Bharat. चलो, let us proceed. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Once again, students, I'm not teaching you 11th and 12th ka part. This is not 11th, 12th portion. This is a bridge course where we are revisiting whatever we have done in 8th, 9th, and 10th, and all those concepts which we are going to require in our 11th and 12th grade. Shall let us start with question number 4, 5, and 6. Question number 4, here we go. Oops. Question 4, we have 1 plus cot square theta into sin square theta is equal to 1. ये हमें prove करना है. 1 plus cot square theta into sin square theta equals to 1. Let us begin with the LHS. So 1 plus cot square theta into sin square theta. Everybody look at that page where you have written all the formula and come to identity number 3. Identity number 3. 1 plus cot square theta. Now what is 1 plus cot square theta? That is cosec square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta into sin square theta. Now once again you see cosec square and sin square. They are reciprocals of each other. So cosec square की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे 1 upon sin square into sin square theta. Sin square cancel, which equals to 1, which is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Simple. Chalo, let's try question number 5. Question number 5 is sec square minus 1 minus 1, and we have cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to 1. So let's start by writing the LHS. Sec square theta minus 1 cosec square theta minus 1. Now everybody once again go back to the formula wherever you have written on whichever page. Check formula number 2, that is identity number 2 and identity number 3. तो मुझे झट से बताओ कि sec square theta minus 1 क्या होता है? What is sec square theta minus 1? Sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. तो ये सारी चीजें ना, now these things have to come very naturally to you. Sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. All right, let's proceed further. Cosec square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta minus 1 is going to be cot square theta. That is cot square theta. And we know that tan square and cot square, that is tan and cot, they are reciprocals of each other. So tan square theta into cot square को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 upon tan square theta. Tan square gets cancelled. 1 which equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Easy. है क्या नहीं? All right. Let's come to question number 6 now. Over here, 1 plus tan square theta. एक काम करते हैं. First we write question number 4 and 5, then we write question number 6. Because this much space will be insufficient. लिखो सब लोग खुद से बिना स्क्रीन से कॉपी किए. सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्वेश्चन स्क्रीन से देखना है अपने को बस. I hope you people are writing and not sitting idle. Can we go to the next question? Can we go to the next question, all of you? Hello. Am I audible, all of you? Okay, fine. Chalo. Let's go to the next question now. The next question is prove that. Okay. Question number 6. Prove that 1 plus tan square theta into 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. Look here carefully, students. See, now 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. Can you clearly observe that it is basically in the form of a plus b into a minus b? Can you notice that? 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which becomes a square minus b square. यानी कि 1 square, which is eventually 1, minus sine square theta. Now you look into that paper, wherever you have written the formula. Now 1 plus tan square theta. देखो आप लोग को पता चल जाएगा 1 plus tan square theta क्या होता है. आइडेंटिटी नंबर 2 चेक करो सब लोग. 1 plus tan square theta is basically sec square theta. 1 minus sin square theta, ये तो आपको तुरंत पता चल जाना चाहिए. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Now sec and cos are reciprocals of each other. तो sec और cos तो आपस में एक दूसरे के रेसिप्रोकल्स हैं. तो sec square को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 upon cos square theta into cos square theta. Cos square gets cancelled and 1 is what you're left out with, which equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. हो गया, hence proof. Simple, है कि नहीं? चलो एक और देखते हैं. Let's try one more. Question number 7. Cosec theta multiplied by root of 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1. So let us begin with the LHS. Cosec theta into root of 1 minus cos square theta. So we have cosec theta into root of sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta तो तुरंत स्ट्राइक होना चाहिए थे sin square theta. Now cosec theta into, now root of sin square theta is as good as sin theta. Once again, you have got two reciprocals. Cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Sin theta gets cancelled out, which equals to 1, which equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Easy peasy. Shall we do it? ये सब sums है ना, they are really very important to build a very good grip on the formula. एक बार formula के ऊपर grip आ गया, then we can go to the bigger questions and a little complicated ones, but not before getting the formula right. अब बहुत सारे बच्चे यहाँ पर इस सेशन में ऐसे भी होंगे जिनको मे भी ये फॉर्मूला के ऊपर ग्रिप ना हो, तो ये उनके लिए बहुत काम आएगा. और वो स्टूडेंट्स जिनकी फॉर्मूला के ऊपर ऑलरेडी बहुत अच्छी कमांड है, फॉर देम अगेन एक रिकैप ही समझ लो. चलो, I'll give you one question which you people can try on your own. So this question comes out like this. Prove that sine square theta, prove that sine square theta plus 1 upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. चलो, try this, and if you are able to do it, अगर आपको आंसर अगर मिल जाता है तो just put it in the chat that you have done it. Let me see how many of you have done this. Goodness, that's very nice. क्वेश्चन लिख करके हुआ ही नहीं और पहले ही कर दिया, क्या बात है. वेरी गुड. There are some really brilliant students in this batch. Done. Sakura got it just immediately after the question itself. Very nice. Mehak, Mita, Shraddha, Tisha, Aditya, Atharva, Tisha, Ishan. Great, great, very nice. Brilliant. चलो. What about the others? बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हो? Good. चलो, I'll do it. See over here. In case if you got stuck somewhere, you can refer. Now, sine square theta plus 1 upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now students, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Sec square theta. And 1 upon sec square theta, you know, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, है ना? Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta होता है. So sin square theta is equal to, sorry, not is equal to, plus 1 upon sec square theta becomes equals to cos square theta. And sin square theta plus cos square theta eventually becomes equals to 1, which equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. It's quite a simple question. Great. Perfect. Now, Mayur actually typed the whole proof in the chat itself. Great. Let's do the next one. Agla question करते हैं. Let me see how many of you can try this. Root of sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to tan theta into cot theta. It's not into, it's plus. Sorry. Tan theta plus cot theta. So stuff. Once again, let me see how many of you can get this. Done this fast? How is it possible? Chalo, good if you've done it. Okay, Wade done, Atharva done. Great, great, very nice. All of you try, all of you try. Rituja also done. That's cool. Now listen, all of you. Sec square theta plus cosec square theta. And we have that in a rule. चलो, जो लोग ने कर लिया बहुत अच्छी बात है. और जो लोग कहीं पर अटक गए हैं ना, अब वो ध्यान से देखो. See, sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. You know identity number 2. Cosec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. Identity number 3. Now, why did we use this identity? For a very simple reason, because if you look in the right hand side, we have tan and cot. So this is the only way in which we can introduce tan and cot inside the root. है क्या नहीं? तो एक ही step में sec square, cosec square, they vanished away, leaving tan square and cot square behind. And tan square and cot square is something which we require from the right hand side point of view. Chalo, let's proceed further. Which is equal to root of tan square theta. Now 1 plus 1, we write that 2 in the middle, plus cot square theta. This is what we get. तो वो 1 और 1 का जो सम है ना 2, वो हमने लिख दिया बीच में. अभी इसको फिलहाल हम रखते हैं साइड पे, और यहाँ पर है ना एक छोटा सा वर्किंग आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ. ये देखो, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you people will immediately understand that this is basically a plus b the whole square. And when we have the whole square, so the root and the square cancels out, leaving simply a plus b behind. So in order to get a whole square, we should have the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if I consider this as a, तो ये हो गया a square. If I consider the last term as b, तो ये हो गया b square. तो बीच में 2 भी है, लेकिन there is something missing. I don't know what is missing. AB is missing. Now looking at a square and b square, can you tell me what will be a and what will be b? What will be a and what will be b? A is tan theta, b is cot theta. तो हम लोग को क्या करना है? 2 के साथ tan theta, cot theta भी लगाना है, right? So we need to put tan theta cot theta besides 2. तो चलो वो भी डाल देते हैं. Let's do that. Which equals to root of tan square theta plus 2. अब हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? tan theta cot theta plus cot square theta. अब बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलेंगे कि सर ये एक्स्ट्रा tan theta cot theta ऐसे कैसे बीच में डाल दिया? How can we simply put tan theta cot theta just because we wanted we put it? No, but there is a strong reason behind it. आप लोग तो जानते ही हो ना कि tan theta और cot theta तो आपस में रेसिप्रोकल्स है. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. We know that they are reciprocals of each other. So tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So by introducing tan theta and cot theta, we are basically multiplying it by 1 in disguise. तो 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम, बट डिस्गाइज में, जिससे कि क्वेश्चन का वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होता है. आई होप दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर विद एवरीबॉडी. चलो नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज व्हिच इक्वल्स टू, अब ये हो गया a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर का फॉर्म, विच इज a प्लस b द होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज tan थीटा प्लस cot थीटा द होल स्क्वायर. अब रूट निकल गया, स्क्वायर निकल गया और रह गया पीछे tan थीटा प्लस cot थीटा which equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Simple. I hope everybody got this. जो लोग को पहले ही आंसर मिल गया बहुत अच्छी बात, और इनकेस अगर जिसको आंसर नहीं मिला, I hope that now it is clear with everyone. Yes. Okay. So one of the students simplified the LHS RHS both. Even that is also a good idea. But here I just wanted to show you that we can introduce something extra if the value of that is 1. जैसे कि tan theta cot theta. Okay. So let us proceed. आगे बढ़ते हैं अगले क्वेश्चंस की तरफ. Okay. Let's try this. Sec square theta. Okay. To sec square theta plus sec square theta is equal to cosec square theta into sec square theta. Chalo, try this. Let's see if you can get the answer. Let us begin with the LHS. LHS is equal to cosec square theta plus sec square theta. अब cosec square theta और sec square theta जो है ना, done, great. चलो everybody try. Now you people can use reciprocals over here. Cosec square theta को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 upon sin square theta. Sec square theta can be written as 1 upon cos square theta. And then we take the LCM. यानी कि cos square theta comes over here, multiplies by 1 and becomes cos square theta. And sin square theta on the other hand goes there, gets multiplied by 1 and becomes sin square theta. So we have cos square theta plus sin square theta the whole upon sin square theta cos square theta. Simple. Cos square theta plus sin square theta simply gives us 1. Acha. Now what we are going to do, we are going to separate both of them. 1 upon sin square theta into 1 upon cos square theta. So after separating, you see you got a multiplication sign in between, just like you have in the RHS. So 1 upon sin square theta becomes cosec square theta. 1 upon cos square theta becomes sec square theta, which equals to RHS. And done. Simple. Okay. So that's great if you're getting the answers. Chalo, let's try another one. See, This is the next question. Sec raised to 4 theta, sec square theta is equal to tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta. Sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta equals to tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta. Chalo, let us begin with the left hand side. LHS is equal to sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta. Tell me, students, what can we do with the left hand side? We have sec raised to 4 theta, which can definitely be written as sec square theta the whole square minus sec square theta. So sec raised to 4 theta can be written as sec square theta the whole square. Think, students, what can we do next? If you can see, we can very clearly take out sec square theta common. तो अगर हम sec square theta को common ले लेते हैं ना, तो देखो, in the first term there are two sec square thetas. तो वो two sec square thetas में से एक sec square theta बाहर, तो दूसरा sec square theta अंदर. The second term sec square theta has entirely been taken out, तो वो हो जाएगा 1, right? So we have sec square theta into. Now, do you know that sec square theta minus 1? See identity number 2, the second form. Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So 1 tan square theta has come into the picture. Perfect. Okay, there is one more sec square theta. Na? So इस sec square theta की जगह पे हम क्या लिख देंगे? 1 plus tan square theta. And then we have a tan square theta at the end. So everything is now converted into tan. So let us open the bracket. So we have over here tan square theta into 1 multiplied by tan square theta into tan square theta, which equals to tan square theta plus tan raised to 4 theta, which equals to the RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Done. Simple. Yes, we can do that, Aditya. You can simplify the LHS and RHS both and get a common answer and compare both of them. Even that is correct. Good. Chalo, we will do one small question and then we wind it up. Okay, here's the last question. Observe this one. Cot raised to 4 theta, cot raised to 4 theta minus 1 is equal to cosec raised to 4 theta minus 2 cosec square theta. Let us begin this one. Now, it is your choice to start from the LHS or the RHS. That's completely okay. आप कहीं से भी start कर सकते हो. I think so. It's better we start with RHS this time. So RHS equals to cosec raised to 4 theta minus 2 cosec square theta. It's okay even if you don't write. Just help me out. Tell me, students, what can we do now here? We have cosec raised to 4 in the first term and cosec square in the second term. We can very easily take out cosec square theta common. चलो, cosec square theta को common निकालते हैं. तो ब्रैकेट में एक cosec square theta और बच जाएगा because there is cosec raised to 4 theta minus 2. Now this cosec square theta has gone out. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Cosec square को cot square में convert करेंगे because if you see in the left hand side you only have cot. तो cosec square theta बन जाएगा 1 plus cot square theta. ब्रैकेट के अंदर और एक cosec square theta है. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. पीछे minus 2 भी है. So we have 1 plus cot square theta into now cot square theta minus 1. See, अब जो minus 1 कहाँ से आया? This is 1 minus 2. We can write this. Let us swap the places. Cot square theta plus 1, cot square theta minus 1. Here we have simply swapped the places. Why did we do so? Because we can clearly see a format of a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. That comes to cot raised to 4 theta minus 1, which equals to LHS. Yes, therefore LHS equals to RHS. All right, students. So with this sum, we will wind up today, and I'll see you in the next class. We will do some more interesting questions. So bye, all of you. Take care and be safe.